Oh, hey, Tara. I've run out of things to tell you! So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play a game. It's called What is the Closest Thing to You? That is gonna be your superpower weapon. Like, his ball is the closest thing to me. So this is my superhero weapon. I'm apparently Ball Girl, because we all know how many, you know how I am about balls. I just have so many. So what's the closest object to you, Sarah? I hope it's not a ball, because that would be awkward. And we'd both be Ball Girl. Super Ball. Ah, Tara, I'm home alone again. Like always. This video sucks. If I had to watch this, I would just hate myself. I'm sorry. I'm so awful. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I can't be all that you want me to be. Sorry, I'm not perfect. Just kidding, I am. Where the heck is my harmonica? Because I know you want an encore. I know you want one. That was unnecessary. I get my harmonica all dirty. You see the things you do to me, Tara? You drive me crazy. I'm gonna get your heart racing in my I said backwards. Don't believe me? Fine. Be that way. I don't care. I know I'm right. Platypuses. Platypuses, Karen Walker. Platypuses, Karen Walker, and tight ropes, harmonicas, and clown makeup. That's my top 5. I love you.